Alright, so here's the aftermath of the LASFiT and going to Sand Hollow for a weekend. You can see. Alright, so this morning I'm actually getting ready to head out for the weekend here. So I figured what a good time to put these mats in that I got from LASFiT. So they sent me some new mats, and we're gonna go ahead and check them out and see what we got. I have currently I have these stock Jeep mats, which are really good. I mean, I really like them. So if these are as good or better, then it'll be really good. But let's see what they sent us. It's chilly this morning. All right, let's see exactly what we got. So let's open these up here. Comes in a nice box. So these are laser fit or laser cut to fit the Jeep Gladiator. And we got the fronts and the rear. It's out of the way here. All right. So, pretty good. I mean, I like them. They're about the same thickness, same material as the Jeep one. You have the connectors to connect it so it doesn't slide around. Really good design. Pick you up here. So you can see it's a really good design and pretty cool. So I will be out and about this weekend, so we're gonna see how these hold up. The one thing I did notice that I'm not sure good or bad yet, so you can see this side's really dirty right now, but the Jeep ones have a hole cut out for the drain plug that all Jeeps have. Oh, that one's dirty underneath. So you can see this hole cut out for the drain plug. Now the new ones do not have that. So you can see no hole in the new one. Not to saying that it can't be cut out, but I wish that's something that they did. All right, so I'm gonna throw these in and then we'll see how they go in. So far you can see here, I got the passenger one out already. This will just slide up in. And then should snap right in place. As soon as I can find the snapper, there it is. So. All right, so I'm gonna throw these in and then we'll see how they go in. So far you can see here, I got the passenger one out already. This will just slide up in. And then, so these will just snap right in place as soon as you get them set. Snap. Find this one. There it is. Maybe I missed that one. Where's it at? There it is. So now that's snapped in place. The front's set up there. They fit really nice. So cover everything, and I think it's really cold out right now. So I think once the heater gets on, they'll relax a little bit. But we're gonna find out. Side's a little bit tight, but all in all, it's a lot better than it would be, and it fits really nice. So they did a pretty good job. I'm pretty happy with them, so we'll keep them in.